Well, you and I had to say goodbye. And if the world do you picture me like I picture you? Am I afraid from your point of view? Do you feel the same? I'm too scared to say how far things I do when I picture you. When I picture you.
I can't book. Ano ba yan? I can't book like Crystal. So the thing is here, like, if I there's this thing called Crystal Plus cabin, where the cabin is, you can see it like everywhere. Like it's gonna be fully crystal. There's no like blockage or anything. But you have to choose on which way.
Okay.
On which way. Because you can't choose like going there and going back is crystal. You have to choose which way you want it.
I'll think about it.
See, it's one way, round trip only. One way crystal from Tungchung, then one way standard. Or one way crystal from Tungchung. Hindi, one way crystal from Ngongping, then standard crystal.
Okay. Party, 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 party. I feel the apples run. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to say hi to everyone. Wala lang. Walang katuturan talaga.
I get that.
Trip ka lang. You can drink from mine.
Oh, okay.
Look at my water jug, guys. It's so pretty. It's from Aqua Flask. It's the Sakura collection. I love this.
Thank you, Aqua Flask.
I bought this.
Oh.
I bought this. They didn't give it to me. I bought that. Where you go, that's where I follow. Like it's the last time. If the world. Do you guys listen to Chapel Roan? May naiwan na naman na book sa likod. I woke up alone staring at my ceiling. I try not to care, but it hurts my feelings. You don't have to stare. Come here, get with it. Baby, don't you like this beat? I made it so you sleep with me. It's like 199 degrees when you do it with me, do it with me. HOTTOGO, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll, dance it out, you're hot to go. HOTTOGO, you can take me out to go. What's it take to get your number? What's it take to bring you home? Order up, I'm hot to go.
Okay, so Australian Dairy Queen. You know Australian Dairy Queen.
Nar.
You wanna
That
see?
was Australian. Nar.
Nar.
Hi everyone. I'm also going to end this live now. Namamansin ba to? Yes, surprise. So I hope you guys have eaten your dinner. If not, it's time to eat your dinner. And we will eat our dinner too. But first, magsasaing muna ako ng shirataki rice. Hindi pala saing, sorry. Magluluto lang ako ng shirataki rice. She's smiling like she used to smile.
Like, how okay are you with walking?
I'm very okay.
Okay.
How okay are you with dealing with my complaints.
I don't mind.
My yapping.
It's a part of it. It's a part of the fun.
Because I will not sacrifice the outfit for the walk.
Okay.
Bye. Hold on, I'm gonna finish this braid and then I'm gonna really say goodbye. Heard you're back together, and if that's true, you're still gonna taste me when he's kissing you. How was Zootopia Animal Wellness Center? They're awesome. They're great. They have such good service. And I really said, if something happens to my kids and they need hospitalization, I'm bringing them there. Wake up 6 a.m.
Kasi can you do that?
Let's see.
Okay. Okay, 7. Wake up 7.
Goodbye.
Bye guys!
Goodbye.
Sorry, di ako nagpakita. I'm doing some planning.
He's a busy bee.
I'm a busy guy.
We'll see you guys September 1 sa Jensen. Meron kaming show po dyan. Waiting for this magic moment in Pioneer Avenue. It's a Capamilya Caravan. Happy Tuna Festival. I'm so excited to eat tuna. I hope they feed us plenty tuna.
You're okay with the food here?
Wait, I'm gonna just finish this.
Okay.
Goodbye. Time to eat dinner.